Hey friends, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. I have this 4-pack of star ornaments. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to use one of these. It's kind of already like primered on the front in a way, so it's ready to paint. I'm just going to flip it over and pull off the hanger, and I'm going to drill some holes for my own hanger. So after that, I'm going to clean that up. And then I am going to start painting it. I'm just using some black acrylic flat paint, and I'm going to just give it a good coat. And then after I'm finished with that and it's dry, I'm going to sand it. Make sure that you dry it before you sand it. So I'm just sanding to distress. I needed a snowman face, so I just found something that was approximately 2.5 inches round. You could make a little circle out of cardboard or something like that. So I just traced around my circle, and I have a little circle on my star, and I'm going to use some Waverly chalk paint to paint that in. I used the ivory shade, and I just brushed it on and filled in my circle. I did go over this a couple of times, and it was still a little bit see-through, and that's okay because I'm going for the primitive look anyways, so it's perfectly fine. It's going to work out. I'm using one of my snowman faces on my set of 8 snowman faces that I have. This stencil set is on my website. I'm just using the little primitive face that's up in the corner, and look how cute his little face is. So now after that's dry, I'm taking some dark sealing wax, and I'm just going to do some distressing around his face. And then I'm taking some blush, some regular makeup blush that I found at Dollar Tree, and I'm making some cheeks on him. And then I added a little more of the dark sealing wax. And after I was finished with that, I am using a piece of rebar wire for the hanger. And I just cut the piece that I needed, fashioned it the way I needed it. And then I'm using some needle nose pliers to just wrap the ends of the wire in a little circle. So on this side, I ended up scratching my star a little bit, which is no big deal. If you do that while you're crafting, you can just take some paint and touch up that little spot like I did. So, and then I just fixed it with some more sanding and went around the edges again and sanded a little bit more. And then I finished it off with a little piece of coffee stained fabric. And that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this little video, and thank you for watching.